presenting the Jeep 2018 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tires, 225/55 R18AS, black premium cloth bucket seats, quick order package 2EJ included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR included, 3.734 final drive ratio wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum engine oil cooler tires, 215/60 R17 BSWAS Touring Zero evaporate emissions control system, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic included, vinyl shift knob, wheels, 18-inch x 7.0 inches aluminum included, tires 225/55 R18AS.